Hey guys, David. This is Express Auto Transmission. We like to play with transmissions here, and we like having you guys here watching our videos. So thank you guys for watching. Welcome back. We're gonna go see what's on the bench today.
This is the 456 hub. This is the shaft.
The idea behind that is to get as much oil to the fourth clutch as quick as you possibly can. And we've got a beautiful vacuum. You guys see he's doing this wrong. He does not have his safety glasses on. Hold up. Alright guys, not at the bench today. Today we got a weird phone call from my buddy Cody over there, and he is currently sitting in the back of the car there.
Yeah.
And this car belongs to Blake, so we wanted to introduce Blake and show you guys the car and talk about what we're doing over here. So, what do you got, Blake?
This is a 2017 McLaren 570 GT. It's got a stage 2 tuned downpipe, so it's roughly right around 800 horsepower. I own a wrap shop, so it's got a full vehicle wrap. We did the wheels and tires and everything, so it's just our kind of toy that we play around with.
Yeah.
What do you got behind you?
This is a buddy of mine's Nissan GTR, full bolt-on car. We're getting ready to go on a rally tomorrow. We're leaving for it, so we're trying to do a couple things. He's changing the oil. We put new rotors on it and everything, and then we're gonna get them all decaled up for the rally.
Cool.
Awesome. So the phone call that we got today was because Cody was changing the spark plugs in the back of this McLaren, and the issue that he had was the factory spark plug uses a 14mm socket, and the aftermarket spark plug uses a 16mm socket. So he had already got adventurous and took a grinder to one spark plug socket. Let me see your socket there, Cody. As you can tell, this is a very, very nice snap-on spark plug Saver 5000, I think is what he's calling it. And if you're going to change the plugs in your McLaren and update it to the newer plugs, you have to use this socket, which if you don't know where to get one, call me. I'll hook you up with a guy. So
Yeah, or call Cody.
yeah, we'll call Cody.
I'm exhausted because the country's on fire. It'll be a very funny video, but I don't want to see burn.
All right, guys. So we got the spark plugs in. Well, Cody got some of them in. I got some of them in. It was a conjoined effort there, but we're gonna see if it runs now. So here we go.
Ready?
Yep. Anywho, we'll be back soon with the Allison videos. We're going to be starting the teardown and build videos for a Allison LCT 1000 out of a 2014 Duramax. So we'll be back with you guys on that one.